Stella, what are you?
I meant them. No!
Velociraptors win.
Little lion, what happened to you? Little leopard.
Oh, fucking Jesus.
Oh, that hurt. I always want to hit you, but your legs are annoying.
He doesn't have any legs.
Yeah, like, look. You obviously
I know, and I want to be like, whack, but...
So, do it.
Ow, no, because then you'll hurt me more.